Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? This is LC with Law Crypto. Okay, I have a quick Ethereum price update. So I had to go out to the 4-hour chart to make sense of all of it. All right. So we do definitely have some levels that were already built in there from some previous price action. And what I have here now is I'm gonna go back to the beginning of February, right? So February 1st, as you can see, that point there. So basically you want to draw a line from that starting point until our high. And what we have here, let me slide this over so that make that point there, but it's on this line, a previous fib line that we had that was pretty excellent. So as we can see, it kind of broke through most of these levels, right? Huge dip. The whole market was red. It definitely reset all our levels. So honestly, of course, we don't like to see red days, but I see it as huge buying opportunities and for us to go higher in the future. So we needed a day like this. But as you can see, it basically busted through everything. So you see here, it kind of stabilized on the 786, and it basically caught this white line that I have here, which is our knight in shining armor, and I'm gonna show you how I got that line. So I basically did a fib extension from swing high to swing low. So we have this here, and get that top there. Okay, so as we can see, I got so much going on. So let me go to the 2 hours, see if I can see it a little clearer. All right, maybe. So as you can see here with our fib extension from swing high to swing low, this point is just that top there. I just drug it out so we can connect it with our chart here. So you can see it caught the 2.618, caught the bottom perfectly, right? Now that was definitely overextended. I thought it was gonna stop at the 127. It didn't. Then I thought it was gonna stop at the 168. It didn't, but it went all the way to the end. And the 2618 caught it lovely, right? And I guess you can call that a little double bottom there. So double bottoms are bullish patterns. If I can get that to expand out a little bit. So here you see the double bottom there. It bounced off the 2618, and it looked like possibly the sell-off can be done now, because if I come back and just show you some of my indicators here, you can see from my trend indicator, I basically have a huge sell-off on the 4-hour chart, right? So this is oversold territory for sure. Now we've been completely bullish, of course, and as you can see, we haven't hit this oversold territory. I also drew a -40 line on there because I see that bounce a lot in the Ethereum chart, but we haven't touched the -55 since, when was this? December of 2020. Okay, so I feel like right here is this point. I feel like that is exactly when this thing started going crazy, right? That was the beginning point when people could have been buying in, and we started going insanely massive, right? So I feel like this can be a huge reset, so we can go to even higher heights. Okay, now that's just my trend indicator. Let me show you the RSI. So the RSI, again, this is a 4-hour chart. Last time the RSI went into this ridiculously oversold territory was in December 20. Okay, so you get it again in September 20 and the beginning of September. But look at this. It hasn't went that low in even those scenarios. So this one reached way further down. I feel like we're going to get a really nice bounce once we get back into this range, and we have a whole reset. Again, this is the 4-hour chart. This is not no 15-minute chart. we're gonna have a huge reset to go to even higher heights, and I feel like that's something that we definitely needed. Okay, so let me just take a look at Bitcoin really quickly, and as you can see here, I just drew that line for a bearish trend. Go to the 2 hour, you can see it a little better. Okay, so yeah, so bearish trend. Once we break over this line, I feel like it's gonna be breaking out of that bearish trend, and we went into this completely oversold territory. And as you can see, we've been staying over this 50 line forever. Kind of like, you know what I mean? So we've been over, we dipped under, but we never went to any of this zone here. So I feel like, man, like we never even broke lower than that since, when was this? Since the end of January, and February's been a massive month for us, right? So I think this thing can go to new regions, and we just have to sit back and wait, right? We just sit back and wait. So boom, it dipped under again. As you can see, Bitcoin does not do that, and when it does, it always goes crazy. So you see here, okay, so we even touched the line there. Boom, new heights. Touched, and then it created this whole channel. Excuse all the lines on my charts. But yeah, just so you can zoom in a little bit, we had this huge pattern here. Got a channel going up, some wedges, a bull flag, and then boom. All right, so we're seeing a nice reset on the market just to take us higher. So everyone that doesn't like rainy days, I understand, can't stand the rain, but I like rainy days because it shows that the market is healthy. Okay, we have a healthy market, so you don't have to believe in hey, are we getting close to the end of the bull run? Man, the bull run hasn't even started, or the bull run has just started. And after this reset, I feel like we're gonna go even higher for Bitcoin, for ETH, and of course if we go higher for Bitcoin and ETH, that means all the altcoins are gonna do some numbers. Okay, so here's my market update on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I say rest assured, I think we're gonna recover from this and go to even new heights. And yeah, I'm just waiting for this thing to start showing some green candles again, and yeah, the money is gonna start pouring back in. So I seen here that we're at 1.4 trillion in the market. I think what let's say the day before yesterday it was 1.7. So you see about 300 billion pulled out of the market, and once that 1.7 come back, I think we're gonna hit 2 trillion in no time. Okay, so yeah, that's my quick market update. Don't mind the red candles, don't mind all this red. That means when there's blood in the streets, it's some great time to buy. Okay, so that's my market update. I hope you guys stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be giving market updates and a lot of altcoin videos showing some great entries and some great buying opportunities. So like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'm going to keep finding some ways for us to make some money. All right, one.